No, hit it. Leave a mark. Now, just don't hit the gas cap itself. Hit anywhere down there. There you go. Now you've been part of a custom bike build.
There you go.
Whenever you're ready. That was a pretty good hit. Good job. 87. Trying to get 100 people to hit it.
That's just wrong.
How about y'all?
I feel like it.
There you go.
Oh man, I can't.
Come on, you did. Come on, you got.
Sorry, I can't. I do a custom paint and a lot of shit.
Yeah, but
I can't do that, man.
you can. Everybody hits the motor.
No.
Nobody ever hits the tank. All right. Yeah, don't hit the gas tank now because I got to be able to open it. Yeah,
I tried.
go ahead. There you go. That's how you do it.
Oh, I feel bad,
man. Anywhere on the tank. This up top, on the side, the other side, wherever. Really? That's the best you got?
Oh, I don't want to hurt it.
There you go. Whenever you're ready. There you go. Just like that.